everyone, and welcome back to Stylish Naija YouTube channel. I want to say thank you to all of my subscribers. Thank you guys for subscribing to Stylish Naija YouTube channel. Thank you for your love, for your support. I really appreciate each and every one of you that have supported Stylish Naija YouTube channel. I don't take it for granted. So guys, if you are new to the channel, you are highly and very welcome. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to Stylish Naija YouTube channel and then hit on the bell also to get an update whenever I upload a new video. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to cut this structured design. So you can see it up there. We're going to cut and sew. It is a simple process, so you can actually use this design for anything of your choice. And the materials that we're going to be needing, we're going to be making use of a satin for this tutorial. You can make use of even an Ankara, and then we're going to be making use of our net and then our stay. So you can use any stay of your choice, any strong stay, like a paper stay, that's strong paper stay, or a peplum stay. You can make use of them. You can make use of a crinoline, but I will not advise you to make use of a crinoline for this because it has bigger edges. So that is why. So what we're going to do now, I'm going to fold my pattern paper here. I'm going to try and make out a cup. So this is like the shape of what we need. So I made this one earlier. This is like the shape. So in order for you to get this shape, you need to fold at an angle. So this will actually help when you fold at an angle, and then you are going to measure where it's going to start from, the length from the chest. You understand? This straight part, that's the part that is going to be on the chest. This other part is going to be the part that is dangling. So this is this part that you are going to measure. So once you measure, you are going to get the length from your chest. Depends on where you want to start fixing it from. So for this, I have about 23. So I'm going to cut about 26 here. I'm just going to take my tape like this, and then I'll place it like this. So I have about 25 here. So I'm going to use my pencil first to create it out. So with that, it will be easy. So I'm just going to make like a, I hope you can see. Okay, so I'm just going to make like a curve. So it depends on how big you want it to be. I'll make like a round curve here. Just create a round curve and then let it float into the other short part. So I'll highlight it with my marker pen now. So it depends on how big you want it to come out on the shoulder. That is what you will use for this. So for mine, I have about 10 inches. I might still reduce it as I go along. So the next thing I'll do now, I'm going to cut this. So I'll cut it on this side like this. And then I'll create my curve. So on this pattern, I'm just going to need half of this. So I'll take out the other part. So the essence of folding it to curve is so that it will be able to sit properly. So that is why. So the next thing, I'm going to create my curve nicely. So on this part, I'm just going to come out more. That's create it, let it be round, and then I will just float it into this part. So this, I would advise for you to do it on a pattern paper, so you'll be able to measure out what you want before transferring to your fabric. So at the end of the day, so you can see what we have. So this is the shape of what we need. So you can just take a look and see the shape. So it will stay like this, and then this side falls out. So this is the bigger one. So you can cut out, it depends on how many steps you want to do. You can just cut them out, just reduce the size or increase the size. So for this tutorial, I'm just going to make one, since I'm just using it for a tutorial. So I just make one. So I'm going to transfer this on my fabric. Everything that I have here, I'll transfer it on my fabric and on my stay. I'm going to cut out 2 pieces because you are going to sew and turn. Okay guys, so I've finished cutting all of my pieces, all of my stay. So I'll take it back to my machine, and then I'm going to sew everywhere and turn. So I'm just going to leave a little piece, a little part from this side here, so I can just open, because this is the part I will stitch on the dress. So I'll just leave a little part where I will turn it and then iron it out, and then I'll bring it back and show you. So like I said, if you want to do different steps, all you are going to do is you are just going to reduce. You can just decide to reduce the size. You can decide to reduce the size like this. So you can see what we have. You can decide to reduce the size, so you can see. So just reduce the size, just lay them on top of each other, just make sure that they have the same curve. This side is the same, so that's it. Okay guys, so at the end of the day, you can see how our structured design looks like. It actually came out really fine. So like I said, if you want to do 3 layers, you can just place them on top of each other and then fix it that same way. So thank you so much. If you find this video helpful, please hit on the like button, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to Stylish Naija YouTube channel. Thank you so much guys. I'll see you in my next video.